Hey friends, so we have all decided that we are going to learn Python in 2025. We have also decided that which compiler we are going to use in this tutorial. As a baby step towards it, let's install Python. In this tutorial, I am going to explain about how we can install Python in Mac operating system. Additionally, I am also going to show how we can install Visual Studio Code. Let's dive into this. The first step, let's open the browser. I'm going to use Firefox in my case and type python.org. Okay. So here Python. See, in my case, I am using Mac operating system. I think browser might have identified my system. That's why it's showing. So probably you might also show you like this. So as of today, in July 25, the latest Python version is 13.5. So that's why I am going to 3.13.5. So that download this one. Okay. So once you download, see here, go to the Finder, and here I'm going to install Python. Okay, just double click it. All right, it will open the window here. Okay. Here's you can see a little bit introduction about Python and see the version 3.13.5. So I'm just press continue button. Then it's readme notes. If you want, you can read it, and then press continue button. You can see license here, and then see here we have to agree, right? To continue installation, we should agree this one. All right. See, minimum we need to have 182 MB memory. Make sure you have sufficient memory in your operating system. Just let's install. Okay, it's asking for the password. I'm going to enter my machine's password. I'm going to give permission for the installation. Alright, it will take a few minutes before installation. So here let's see what is the current Python version I have. Here for that one, what we have to do, Python dash version. See here, what version I have currently is 3.9.12, but what we are installing is 3.13.5. okay, so all right, see the Python version is successfully installed. We close this window and remove to bin. Yes, so one thing we have 9.12. okay, it means that the changes is not getting reflected. So the problem is the path we have to set it properly. So how we can set, it will open in the preference window. In the preference window, what we can see is it shows actually where actually the Python got installed. So here we can just simply copy this path. Okay, so if we can do is the Python is actually installed, but one thing is we have to point out properly. If here the Python is showing 3.9.12, so it means it's having older version. So actual Python is installed in this location. See here in this path. So what I can do version. Okay, it's showing this 3.13.5, but this has to be reflected anywhere. Actually, we should not be able to give this particular path. What I can do is I'm going to open this RC file, set.rc file. Copy this path. Let us open this bash file. Yeah, here I'm going to put at the last. I'm going to put alias. Just instead of typing complete path, I just put alias. Say example Python. Every time I have to type Python, it's going to point out to this particular locations installer. Okay. So after this, you just save it. And now I'm going to do source. Make sure that the changes whatever we have given the alias, the changes will get affected. Okay, now if I do the same Python version, see, we can see 3.13.5 actually. Okay, so I hope it makes sense to you. So I hope Visual Studio Code. You see, we have downloadable for Mac, Linux, and Windows. So I'm going to download for my Mac. You can download for whatever the operating system which you are using. So just click. Okay, it's already downloaded now. Just double click it. That's it. It is going to open. Okay. See here, you can see Visual Studio Code is just like application. It's just installer. Just we copy this exe to our application folder. See here in the left hand side, right? You can see here the application link. So to this one, just drag. That's it. Visual Studio Code installation is over. It's asking for permission. Okay. I'm going to give. Okay, let it open. All right. Right. It's asking. Now let's see what is the Python version now. Now I'm going to see the Python version. / version. All right. See here, Python 3.13.5. This is the version which we have downloaded from internet and try to install. Now installation was our program. What we can do with this is, see, you can see here triangle button you are seeing, right? So simply click on this. It should work. Okay, hello world we have seen. So I hope you all can see this hello world. All right. Now I'm going to write some program. Just for very simple program. So now I'm going to write some simple, very simple program. Say example, I'm going to add two numbers. Okay. So num1 I call it as say example, say 56, and num2 say example 44. Okay. So now I'm going to create both of them. Num1 plus num2. Very simple, very simple program, isn't it? Now, okay, 100. All right. Our setup is fine. Our programming is running fine.